Good morning, children. Today we are learning the lesson Acids and Bases presented by Murali ZPHS Pisara. Children, look at the pictures. In these pictures, we see vegetables, fruits, and other substances. In these pictures, what are vegetables? Tell me. Tomato, bitter gourd, or vegetables. What are fruits? Orange, banana, lemon, tamarind. What are the other items? Banana, salt, soapy nuts. Now, children, tell me, what is the taste of tomato? Sour taste. What is the taste of lemon? Sour taste. What is the taste of orange fruit? It is also sour taste. Next, what is the taste of tamarind? It is also sour taste. These sour tastes are called what? In this science, we call these are acids. Next, what is the taste of bitter gourd? Bitter taste or soapy taste? What is the taste of soapy nuts? It is also soapy taste. So, what we call soapy taste in our science? Soapy tastes are called bases. Now, the other items. What is the taste of banana? Sweet. What is the taste of salt? It is not sour taste, not soapy taste. So, these are called neutral substances. Children, now we discuss the acids, bases, and neutrals. First one is acids. So, what is the definition of acid? Acid is a taste sour or blue litmus paper converted to red litmus paper, also called acids. Example: tomato, tamarind, lemon, orange, etc. Now, next one is the bases. What are bases? So, bases definition: bases are soapy taste or red litmus paper converted to blue litmus paper, also called bases. Example of bases are bitter gourd, neem leaves, soap nuts, etc. Now, next we learn the experiment and acids and bases. Children, see here some pictures are there. What are they? Bitter gourd, red litmus papers, blue litmus papers, tomato. Now we take the tomato juice. Take one blue litmus paper and put into the tomato juice. The observe the blue litmus paper. So the blue litmus paper convert to red litmus paper. So here we say the sortates are all convert to blue litmus paper, red litmus paper. So it is called acid. Next one, take bitter gourd juice in a bowl and put it into the litmus paper. What do you observe? Now your red litmus paper convert to blue litmus paper. So what we know about this? So the soapy tests are convert to red litmus paper to blue litmus paper. So it is also called bases. Now we know the neutral substances. Some substances are not sortates and not soapy taste. These are called neutral substances. Blue litmus paper and litmus paper, no color change in neutral substances. For example, salt, sugar. So, in neutral substances, we take some neutral substances. So, put into the blue litmus paper, change the color, observe the color, no change. And put it into the red litmus paper, observe the color, no change. So, these are called neutral substances. Now, in this lesson, we learn what is acids, what is bases, and what is neutral substances. Children, you understand this chapter? Okay. Now, I give one project work in your notebook. Prepare this project work in your notebook. Take some vegetables, fruits in your surroundings. Divide them into acids and bases in a table in your notebook. Okay, children. Next one is evaluation. Here I am here some questions. Write the answers. These questions in notebook. First one is what is acids? Give examples. Second question, write differences acids and bases. Third one, draw some pictures acids and bases. Thanks for video.